I do not think that the general student body should have the same access to the facilities that the athletes do. The reason being is that athletes work as a team and they work together, and I think that they have their special trainers for their specific sport, and it's important that they get that one-on-one contact and that one-on-one attention in order to improve their physical capabilities. However, I think that the general student body should have an equally nice, equally accessible gym as well that they can use on their own that is just as nice, that has just as many resources, and that can give them the same equipment, the same experience that the athletes have.
I mean, for example, we don't have a golf course, therefore the golf team has to go off campus to practice. Baseball, they don't have their own field, but they have a practice field. You know, the gyms of Hyper, which women's basketball, men's basketball, women's volleyball all use for practice, is open to the public, so they are sharing that facility. The only closed facilities really are the Smith Field House and obviously the weight room. And I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing that it's not open to the public. Equal facilities, or actually even better in some cases, are opened or being opened to the student population or anybody with an active U ID card.
Hi, my name is Cody Lockling, Assistant Strength and Conditioning Coach at the University of Utah. A lot of what the athletes have is a necessity given their situation. The general student body, they do have a lot of access to the same things, but our athletic population is a little bit different in terms of there are certain things you need when working at the level they do from an athletic standpoint, whether it be access to athletic trainers to take care of injury needs, special weight rooms and certain types of facilities, or access to myself as far as a strength and conditioning coach to help them perform at a little bit higher level, or even academically in terms of the verbiage to have a place separate from everybody else where they can study. A lot of it goes into the general demands on their time versus the rest of the student body. A lot of times, because of sports schedules, class schedules, how they conflict with sports practices, we can't work around a larger population. So to accommodate them being both a student athlete and a student of themselves, they have to have these unique facilities in which they can go in and get things done.